Imagine a force so powerful that it shapes destinies, molds futures, and crafts the very fabric of our society. This force is neither wealth nor power, but a quiet whisper that echoes through the ages, the voice of a teacher. From the ancient gurus who imparted wisdom under banyan trees to the learned ustads of medieval madrasas and the dedicated educators of today navigating digital classrooms, the essence of teaching has transcended time and technology. Even as AI and robotic tools emerge, offering endless streams of information and personalized learning experiences, they can never replace the heart of an original teacher. The human touch that inspires, the empathy that understands, and the wisdom that guides beyond textbooks. Teachers are more than mere dispensers of knowledge. They are mentors, motivators, and role models who shape the character and spirit of their students. While technology may enhance the learning process, it is the irreplaceable bond between teacher and student that truly molds minds, builds trust, and transforms lives. As the great Henry Adams once said, a teacher affects eternity. They can never tell where their influence stops. This truth echoes through every classroom, where the impact of a teacher reaches far beyond the walls, shaping the future in ways that can never be measured. On this special day, we honor and celebrate all teachers, the guiding lights who dedicated their lives to nurturing minds and inspiring greatness. Happy Teachers' Day to the true architects of our society.